Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Chris Cooper, known as the Channel Guy Trader, and I'm reporting to you live from Wall Street Trading's Miami office down in sunny South Florida. Today's date is Tuesday, November the 5th, 2013, and here is today's midday market update brought to you by WallStreetTrading.com. I want to first start by taking a look to see how the indices are trading so far for the session. The Dow is up 12.5 points, the Nasdaq's up 15.5, the S&P is up 3.5. We take a look at a couple of the commodities here. Silver, SLV's up a penny, pretty much flat. JJC Copper's down 11 cents. GDX Gold Miners are down 35 cents. GLD down 35 cents for gold. Crude oil via the USO down 33 cents. Let's see what else we got going on here. As far as the top sectors go, you have TNA, the 3 times long Russell 2000 ETF, the strongest here, up close to 1% from the opening price, followed by the XLP Consumer Staples. The triple Qs are making their way up there towards the top of the list, and the XLI is up 4 point, close to half a percent, and the semiconductors are holding up pretty well. The weakest sectors across the board today in the market, you have USO crude oil down, the crude oil ETF down a little over half a percent, GDX down half a percent from the opening price, IYR down half a percent from the opening price. So we're seeing some weakness in some of the financials and some of the services stocks. Overall, mixed market today. We have some stocks that are standing out like Microsoft, Cisco, ICE, NYX, CVS having a nice day up today, over 2.25%. So let's go and take a look at the market and see what took place in the morning session and what we can expect to happen in the afternoon. See, the market sold off overnight on the ES. This is a 15-minute chart, by the way. The ES sold off from an overnight high of 1764 or so, all the way to a low this morning of 1750. We broke below the 1757 level right before the market opened, causing that selling pressure. Now we're rallying back up. Keep an eye on the 1762.75 level, which is the previous day's close. And then the previous day's high on the ES is back up there towards 1764. Keep an eye on that level there as well. 1764 will most likely be a good area to maybe catch off some short scalps, or maybe look to short some weak stocks. You take a look at the 5-minute chart. We had a bottoming tail this morning around say 10 o'clock. Set up a little engulfing candle, which you can see triggered some shorts when it broke this low. Then they reversed it from there. We've been off since. Little pivot, higher pivot low, and now we're moving back up towards those highs. The Nasdaq is showing relative strength today, so if you're looking at getting long stocks, maybe take a look at some of those technology stocks. Nasdaq futures are not too far away from the previous day's highs, along with the Russell, and the SPY is not too far from its previous day's high as well. And you can see we have some nice volume that just came in on the S&P 500. So this could be a nice little volume of buyers coming in to push us back above the previous day's highs. We'll wait and see. As far as some stock ideas we're watching this morning, we touched base first on the volatility index. We're looking at that. The VXX, of course, did not work out because the market came in, so we got stopped out a little bit there. But we did track some decent trades. Called out AOL in our chat room for a buy, and that one worked out all right. We got this one picked up around 4180. Ran it to 4210, couldn't break, so got a little small trade on that one. We also called out this Facebook. One of the traders in the desk was watching Facebook. Facebook with a bull flag on the 5-minute that broke out. As long as it holds above, say, 49.10, this one can maybe make a move back up towards the highs of 49.60. If it drops below 49, you want to watch this 48.60 area, the bottom of the flag pattern. Another trade that you can take a look at that we traded a little bit this morning was GMCR. This one offered a great short sell opportunity off a bear flag. All right, cracked down, flagged again here, and then broke down again. Decent trade. If you can't break above 63, if it holds below 63 and the market starts to get weak, this will be a stock you can look at to short again if it holds below 63. And then Kirk's KERX. We've been talking about the stock in our chat room for the past couple of days. Why? Because I know somebody that's long the name. They were in the trade for they were long the name for a swing trade, but it popped up today on good FDA news on one of their drugs. The stock was in play. We called this one out for a long, brought on the open right over this 13.20 level, and it gave a nice trade all the way up to 14. And that's about it. So it's definitely some decent stocks moving today. You can also take a look at the WLT, which has been in play. We've been talking about the coal sectors for the past couple of weeks now. Those stocks have been running up pretty nice. And let's see some weak stocks today. Tesla's down. Tesla's down. Let's see here, down 4% from the open, along with Sohu down 3%, Baidu down 3% from the opening price. Again, GMCR, one of the weak stocks that we talked about today that we traded, shorted. So again, there's definitely a lot of action in the market. See what stocks are working for you. See what stocks are showing relative strength, relative weakness, and you can come up with some decent trade ideas. But aside from that, keep an eye on Kirk's as well for movement back to the top side. Aside from that, make sure you go check out the website, wallstreettrading.com. If you're interested in taking our education course or joining our prop firm, you can contact me at ccooper at wallstreettrading.com, or you could contact us via the contact us button on the homepage of the website. If you want to check out our chat room, mywallstreettv.com, the password to log in is SMART. If you want to get the 14-day free trial, you want to make sure you go to the homepage and fill out the form on the right-hand side. Have a great day, folks. Cheers.